Students, let's revise our next chapter, Smart Charts. Teacher asked students whether they have their parents at home. There were different answers. This is record of answer. See the table and answer the question. टीचर ने बच्चों को पूछा कि आप घर पर आपके पेरेंट्स की हेल्प करते हो, तो अलग अलग जवाब आए। देखते हैं इस तरह से उनके अलग अलग जवाब है। आप इसका रिकॉर्ड हमें देखने को मिल रहा है, तो देखते हैं इसके नीचे कुछ आंसर्स देने हमें क्वेश्चंस के। देखते हैं यहाँ पर आपको दिखाई देता है हेल्प मोस्ट इन हाउस वर्क, जो बच्चे हेल्प करते ज़्यादा कामों में। नेक्स्ट आपको दिखता है टैली मार्क्स। टैली मार्क्स क्या होते हैं, इस तरह से आपको कुछ लाइन्स यहाँ पे दिखाई दे रही है, जो है 1, 2, 3 और 4 लाइन्स। इसका मतलब देखते क्या है, 4 लाइन तो हमने देखी है और 1 है क्रॉस लाइन, और ये टोटल सेट बना है टोटल 5 लाइन से, मतलब एक सेट है 5 लाइन का। तो यहाँ पर आपको देख पा रहे हो जैसे कि 3 सेट बने पूरे, और उसके आगे आपको 3 लाइन्स दिखाई देती है। मीन्स वी कैन से दैट 5, 5, 5, 10, 15 एंड 2 is 17। मीन्स गोइंग टू मार्केट आर 15 plus 3, 18, means total there are 18 students who help their parents to going in the market. Second, in washing clothes, we know that how many students help their parents in washing clothes. They are 5, 5, 5, means 15 plus 1, 16, means 16 students help their parents in washing clothes. Next is making and serving food, जो खाना बनाने में और परोसने में अपने पेरेंट्स की हेल्प करते, मतलब किचन में हेल्प करते। 5, 5, 5 की 3 सेट्स है, मतलब ये है 15। क्लीनिंग द हाउस, जो घर साफ करने में हमें मदद करते हैं, वो है 5, 5, 5, 5, 5 के 5 सेट्स दिखाई दे रहे, मतलब ये हुए 25, और आगे भी 2 है, मतलब ये है टोटल 27। एंड द नेक्स्ट इज वॉशिंग यूटेंसिल्स, मतलब बर्तन धोने में हमारे मतलब पेरेंट्स की हेल्प करते हैं, वो है 5, 5 के 4 सेट्स, मतलब हो गए 20। नाउ वी add all these numbers of students who help their parents. While adding all this number, we get the answer, and the answer is 96 students. Here are total data of 96 students who help their parents. Now in our first question, write the number of students who help in the different work. We have written and we have calculated with the help of tally marks and written in front of the description. In the second, what is the total number of students who say they help their parents? We know that total number of students are 96 who help their parents. Now in the third question, how many students say that they help in making and serving food? कितने बच्चे अपने पेरेंट्स की खाना बनाने में, उन्हें सर्व करने में हेल्प करते हैं? We know that there are 3 sets of 5, means there are total 15 students who help their parents in making and serving food. In which of the work most of the students help their parents? How many? We know that there are 27 students in cleaning home, cleaning house. हमें पता है कि घर साफ करने में कितने स्टूडेंट्स हैं? There are total 27 students who helping in cleaning house. Now students, revise this question carefully and write down in your notebook whenever you get the time. Now students, revise such type of next question. Look at the temperature of different cities given in the table and answer the questions. Means Dehradun 42 degrees Celsius, Kolkata 36, Chennai 29, Jabalpur 32, Chandigarh 34, Mumbai 22 and Guwahati 32. Which city has the highest temperature? We know that which city has the highest temperature, and the city is Dehradun. Now come to the next question. How much higher the temperature in Dehradun than temperature in Mumbai? Means temperature of Dehradun is, we know the temperature of Dehradun is 42 degrees Celsius, and temperature in Mumbai is how many degrees Celsius? Is 22 degrees Celsius. And what is the difference between them? We know that there is difference of 20 degrees Celsius. Come to the third question. How many degree will temperature need to rise 42 degrees Celsius in Chandigarh? चंडीगढ़ का अभी जो टेम्परेचर है उसमें हम कितना टेम्परेचर बढ़ाएंगे तो वो 42 हो जाएगा. मीन्स वी हैव टू सब्ट्रैक्ट 42 minus we have to subtract. Now the current temperature of Chandigarh is 34 and our answer will be 8 degrees Celsius. Means if you rise the temperature of Chandigarh at 8 degree, then we get the temperature of 42 degree. In the fourth question, how much lower is the temperature in Guwahati than the temperature in Kolkata? Means just write down the temperature of Kolkata first. Temperature of Kolkata is 36 degrees Celsius and temperature of Guwahati is 32 degrees Celsius, and we know the difference of temperature is 4 degrees Celsius. Please students revise this question. Students, in our last revision question, here is a data from student about which food they like the most. Look the chart and draw chapati chart to show this data. तो यहाँ पे बच्चों को क्या पसंद है खाने में, इसके बारे में इंफॉर्मेशन दी गई है और इसका आपको चपाती चार्ट बनाना है। देखिए यहाँ पे अलग अलग खाने के आइटम्स दिखाई दिए, फूड दिखाई दिए। जैसे चपाती खाते हैं 2 बच्चे, राइस खाना पसंद करते हैं 4, इडली 3, डोसा 5, मैगी 6। मीन्स वी हैव टू सम ऑल द स्टूडेंट्स। मीन्स 2 4 6 9 5 14 6 20। मीन्स हियर आर टोटल 20 students. First we are calculated that here are totals 20 students. Now we are to draw such a chapati, means a circle, and we have to make equal 20 parts from this circle. Students, here I made 20 equal parts of the whole circle, means I made a full chapati. Now I have to divide the chapati in 5 different parts. Means chapati means food item chapati having 2 equal parts, means I can share, I can shade, I can color these 2 parts with yellow color, and I can name it as chapati. And the second is rice having 4 colors, rice having 4 parts, means out of this 20 parts I can shade these 4 parts with different color, having and these different 4 color for the second part. Second part is rice, and third one is idli. Idli having how many parts? Idli having 3 parts, means I can shade with 3 parts of this whole circle, and I can name it as idli. Now for the next is dosa, and dosa having the 5 parts. Next is dosa, and dosa having how many parts? Dosa having 5 parts. 1 2 3 4 and 5 parts. 5 parts for dosa. And this remaining part is for Maggi, and Maggi having how many parts? Yes, Maggi having 6 parts. Maggi having 6 parts. All these remaining parts for the Maggi, and Maggi having how many parts from out of this 20 parts? 6 parts. इस तरह से मैंने चपाती चार्ट बनाया है। अगर आपके पास अलग अलग कलर नहीं तो आप इन छोटे छोटे बॉक्सेस में छोटे छोटे पार्ट्स में उनके नाम लिख सकते हो इस तरह से। If I want to mention the chapati, then I can write it as chapati, this also chapati. In the next, rice 4 parts, I can write name as rice and rice. In the next three is idli. I can name it as idli 3 parts. In the next there is dosa for 5. I can write here as dosa at 5 parts. And in the last there are 6 parts for Maggi. I can write as this Maggi and Maggi. You can draw your chapati chart like this.